Good morning, Shonana. Present here. I'm Ramya. I'll be working as Assistant Professor in SNS College of Technology. Today, I'm going to share a small article regarding Figma design tool. So, you all know Figma. So, Figma is basically a design tool in which we'll have all the UI components so that we can just drag and drop the UI components and we can only have a static design page can be developed by using a Figma. So here, the designer and the path between the designer and the developer is really a painful handoff because the developer needs and then the designer needs will is very different. So that we have an so we then ha we have a designing tool in which we can just have an UI prototyping so without any functionality so that it can be easily the prototype can be easily shown by using a Figma design tool. So Figma is basically a cloud-based UI and UX design tool which has been used for creating user interfaces, prototypes, and collaborative design workflows. So that collaboratively a team can work in this Figma design tool, so that each can tell their own design suggestions. So and the Figma has a capability for allowing the multiple designers to work simultaneously on the same project in a real time or similar to an Google Docs. So the Google Docs or Google Sheet can be shared so that everybody in a team can parallelly work on it. So likewise, in Figma design tool, it allows the multiple designers to work simultaneously so that the designer can fix the design according to the team's suggestions. And Figma also runs entirely in a browser, which eliminates the need for installation and also enables the easy access from any device. So the key features of the Figma is so the real-time collaboration. So when it comes to an team activity, so the Figma design tools are used for collaborating all the designers at once, so that the design can be fixed or the prototype can be fixed by the whole team. And also it has an vector editing tools, so which is used for developing the modern web applications and also the components and variants, and it is mainly used for prototyping. So before the project has been developed, the prototype can be the workflow can be easily done by using the Figma design tool. And also it has an auto layout so that once it has been developed by using Figma design tool, so it can be fit to any devices. Like the application can be used in a mobile or in a laptop or in a desktop or in a tablet so that the design screen cannot be fixed so that it can be automatically the layout is automatically uh, grown depends upon the screen we are opening that application. And also it has version control so that if there any problem the previous versions can be revoked easily. And also there are so many plugins and integrations available in Figma. And the main advantages of Figma is it is platform independent, like it can be worked on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and it has a seamless sharing and commenting features, which reduces the dependency on multiple design files. And it is mainly used in great for agile teams and design sprints, and easy handoff from developers to designers. And this is the step for developing a simple screen by using a Figma tool. First, we have to create a frame for any mobile application, and then after that we can add whatever text fields or login fields or buttons we need. And we can align all the elements using the auto layout, and we can link the button to a new screen for simulating the navigation that so that the prototype of your design can be generated. And we can also apply any brand colors or shadow effects so that the entire app will look in the uniformity or in the same thing. So for that, first we have to open Figma, and then you see and then if you install the Figma design, there will be a rectangle tool for designing the background, and we can add the appropriate UI components, and then we can align it, and then finally we can create an prototype by using it. And by what are the components behind the navigation bar is we can create icons for home, search, and profile, and we can group them horizontally using the auto layout. And we can also convert the group into a single component. And if we want, we can reuse this component across any screens. And we can update any other main component by using the icon color change, which reflects across all the instances wherever the components are using. Thank you.